Yes, be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The Supreme Court has observed that a mother who remarries after the death of the biological father can decide the surname of the child and include it in her new family. Stop. The bench, comprising Justice Dinesh Maheshwari and Krishna Murari, set aside an Andhra Pradesh High Court judgment which directed a mother to change the surname of her child and also to show the name of her new husband in records only as stepfather. Stop. The court said that such a direction is almost cruel and mindless of how it would impact the mental health and self-esteem of the child. Stop. In this appeal, the dispute between the mother who remarried another man after death of first husband and the parents of the deceased biological father of the child grandparents was about the surname that should be given to the child. Stop. The mother had approached the apex court challenging a direction issued by the Andhra Pradesh High Court while disposing an appeal that arose from a petition under section 10 of the Guardian and Wards Act 1890. Stop. To restore the surname of the child. Stop. So far as the name of the father of the child is concerned, the High Court directed that wherever the record permit, the name of the natural father shall be shown, and if it is otherwise impermissible, the name of the new husband of the mother shall be mentioned as stepfather. Stop. The issue raised in this case were stop within bracket 1 whether the mother, who is the only natural legal guardian of the child after the death of the biological father, can decide the surname of the child. Stop. Can she give him the surname of her second husband whom she remarries after the death of her first husband, and can she give the child for adoption to her husband? Whether the High Court has the power to direct the appellant to change the surname of the child, especially when such relief was never sought by the respondents in their petition before the trial court? The bench noticed that in the case of Geeta Hariharan and others versus Reserve Bank of India and others, mother has been elevated to an equal position as the father, bolstering her right as a natural guardian of the minor child under section 6 of the Hindu Minority and Adoption Act 1956. Stop. Therefore, after the demise of her first husband, being the only natural guardian of the child, we fail to see how the mother can be lawfully restrained from including the child in her new family and deciding the surname of the child. The court observed. Stop. Stanza. Regarding the importance of surname, the bench said stop. A surname refers to the name a person shares with other members of that person's family, distinguished from that person's given name or names a family name. Stop. Surname is not only indicative of lineage and should not be understood just in context of history, culture and lineage, but more importantly the role it plays is with regard to the social reality along with a sense of being for children in their particular environment. Stop.